Welcome to Giftwisely Store, your ultimate destination for premium print-on-demand products that bring your creative ideas to life. Whether you're looking for unique home decor, stylish accessories, or personalized gifts, Giftwisely has it all. Let's talk about metal posters, a standout from our collection. Perfect for transforming your living space. These durable, vibrant, and lightweight posters are easy to mount and make a bold statement. Giftwisely's metal posters are crafted with precision and designed to last for years, keeping your memories and inspirations alive. Next, our custom iPhone covers. They're not just protective, but a canvas for your unique style. From minimalist designs to intricate artwork, Giftwisely turns your vision into a durable, high-quality phone case you'll love showing off. Need something eco-friendly? Check out our printable tote bags. They're stylish, reusable, and perfect for groceries, books, or even a casual day out. With Giftwisely, you can customize your tote to match your personality or promote your brand. At Giftwisely, the possibilities are endless. From personalized mugs to eye-catching canvas prints, we offer a diverse range of products that cater to your creative needs. Plus, our easy-to-use print-on-demand system makes customization a breeze. Whether it's a gift for someone special or a treat for yourself, Giftwisely ensures top-notch quality, fast delivery, and a memorable unboxing experience. Your ideas deserve the best, and we're here to make them a reality. Ready to create something amazing? Visit giftwisely.in today and explore our unique collection. Giftwisely, live creatively.